Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how glutamine works in the body. Glutamine is the most abundant amino acid in your body, playing a vital role in many physiological processes. While your body can produce it, sometimes demand exceeds supply, making it conditionally essential. It's a key player in maintaining a healthy gut and a robust immune system, which we'll explore in more detail. Understanding its functions can help you appreciate its importance for overall well-being. One of glutamine's most significant roles is in supporting your gut health. The cells lining your intestines, called enterocytes, use glutamine as their primary energy source. This helps maintain the integrity of your gut barrier, preventing unwanted substances from entering your bloodstream. A healthy gut barrier is absolutely essential for proper nutrient absorption and acts as a critical first line of defense for your immune system. It's truly foundational for digestive wellness. Beyond the gut, glutamine is a powerhouse for your immune system. Immune cells, including lymphocytes and macrophages, depend heavily on glutamine as a fuel source to function optimally. During times of stress, illness, or intense exercise, the demand for glutamine by these cells increases significantly. It helps support their rapid proliferation and ensures a strong immune response, playing a key role in keeping you healthy and resilient against various challenges. But glutamine's benefits extend even further. It plays a role in muscle recovery, helping to reduce soreness and support repair after physical activity. It also contributes to brain health, acting as a precursor for important neurotransmitters like glutamate and GABA, which are vital for cognitive function. For those looking to enhance their daily life, check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to bring convenience and entertainment into your home, making everyday tasks a little easier and more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.